Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make stuffed bell pepper. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna start with our ingredients. I have here around 1.5 kg of bell pepper, different colors. You can use any color you like. 3 cups of rice. I rinsed it. I'm gonna leave it in a soak for around half an hour. 150 grams of ground beef. You can do it without the meat. 1 cup of olive oil. 1 cup of fresh chopped parsley, 1 chopped tomato, 4 minced garlic cloves, tomato paste, pomegranate molasses, 1 spoon of dry mint, 1 spoon of sweet paprika, a little bit of black pepper, and salt. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our meal. First, we're gonna clean the bell pepper. Cut the top of it like you see in the video and leave it aside, don't throw it. Then clean the bell pepper from inside with a knife. When you finish cleaning it, make some holes in it with a knife to facilitate the cooking of the rice. Clean all what you have and leave it aside. And now let's prepare our filling. In a bowl, put the garlic, the minced garlic, add over it 2 spoons of tomato paste, 1 cup of olive oil, the seasoning that we have, 2 big spoons of pomegranate molasses. Then mix all together very well. After that, add over it the rice, mix it with it, then add the meat, mix the meat with it too, and finally add the tomato and the parsley, mix all together, and our filling is ready. Now let's start filling our bell pepper. Start filling it one by one, but don't fill it up until the top of it because you need space for the rice. And when you finished, cover each one with the top part that we cut it in the first thing. And now let's prepare the tomato sauce that we're gonna use for cooking. In a bowl, put 1 spoon of tomato paste, add over it a 1/4 cup of olive oil, some salt, and mix all together. And finally add over it 3 cups of cold water, stir it a little bit, and that's it. Put a plate over the bell peppers and add the tomato sauce over it little by little until you finished. Do not cover the bell peppers with the water. Let it reach up until the middle of it. Then cover the pot and put it over medium-low heat and leave it cooking for around 1 hour and a half, or depend the quantity that you have. Finally, this is our stuffed bell pepper. It's a very delicious meal. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.